Think about innovation. Lead your mind towards the process, towards the thought of innovation. Yes. Become the necessity of innovative mindset. Yes. Just simply message your mind or message your subconscious mind that I need to create the innovative mindset to make my life more harmonious, more healthy, more fruitful, or more purposeful. If you think that by experiencing innovation is good for you, then you have to lead this thought towards your subconscious mind. There is no need to become the innovator. You can simply try the disruptive innovation concept. Computer is innovation, but laptops are disruptive innovations. Yes. The telephone is innovation, but mobiles are disruptive innovations. So it can be a hybrid process. You can simply add the innovation into already innovated things, or you can simply innovate the ideas for your life. Innovate the ideas to solve your problems of the life. Simply create the innovative mindset. Think about the research part. Think about the search concept. Think about the creativity. Think about the conceptualization. Think about the visualization. Think about the innovation. Think about the invention. Think about the imagination. There are many flowers. There are many flowers to this very thought of innovation, Avishkar. So you can pick only one, two, or three out of that and start your journey to make your life more healthy, happy, and fruitful. Innovation is gift to the mankind. Use it at the right time. Yes. Before ending of this time or before ending of our life, we must have to use the innovation part, the detachment part, the non-doership part, the understanding part, or all other aspects of karma yoga in our life. Last part, inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale. Always remember, if questions and problems of our life are new in front of us, then we must have to think differently to raise the new answers, new solutions to it. Yes. Deep breathing, inhale and exhale, inhale. Last part, exhale. Focus over innovation, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Deep breathing. Now increase the speed. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Slow down the speed. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Last part, creating the humming sound. Inhale and start. Extend your breath as much your individual capacity allows you. Yes. Start. Inhale and again start. Inhale loudly. Last one. Focus. Inhale and start. Now relax. Breathe normally. Sit in Dhyan Mudra, hands one on one over a lap. Relax. Now there is no thinking, no thought, just be in this very moment. Just experience the silence after the activities, after the yogic activities. Just feel the solitude part, just feel the silence. Be in this very moment, now and here. Relax. Relax. Shant. Doing nothing and just being in this very moment. All is happening here. Sitting is happening, breathing is happening, focusing is even happening, and we are just as a witness. Now, if your body and mind allows you, then simply raise your both hands, create some energy by rubbing your palms on each other. Yes, and simply place your palms over your eyes and in between your palms, slowly and gradually open your eyes while taking away your hands down in Dhyan Mudra. Now relax, comfortable. So thank you. Thank you so much for your valuable time.